Hey, in this video, we're going to be going over some frequently asked questions about proprietary trading firms. We'll be going over what is a prop firm, what is the history behind them, what is the evaluation, and what's the pass rate, and what's in it for the prop firm and what's in it for you, as well as some of the profit splits, obviously, as well. I know you're all interested in it, so without further ado, let's go into what is a prop firm in the first place. A proprietary trading firm, or prop firm for short, is a company that provides traders with access to capital, resources, and support to trade financial instruments. And in exchange, the prop firm does take a percentage of the profits generated by the trader. The primary advantage for a trader to work with a prop firm is they get to have more access to capital, no loss liability, and a majority profit split. This allows traders to obviously take larger positions, manage more risk than they could with their own capital. It makes no sense in today's world to trade with your own money unless you have six figures that you want to risk, but even then, why even risk it if you can get 6 to 7 figures from another company? Now, prop firms, they also do offer some other trading tools and softwares and resources, which some people like, and it can improve their trading performance. They're tracking a lot of the analytics as well. But prop firms, they're located all over the world. Some of the biggest ones are going to be in London and New York. But, those are mostly going to be in-office occupations where you have to go in and you have to trade at a trading desk, where the ones that I'm focusing on, they're digital. You can trade from them anywhere in the world. So, all you have to do is just get the account, you link it right up to your own device. It could be your iPhone, it could be your Android, it could be your desktop. And all you have to do is just link it up and you can trade right from it, and you'll be making money from the prop firm just like that. So there's many variables, obviously, to choosing a prop firm. And, with that, you do need to do your research. You need to really carefully consider the terms and conditions of any profit sharing agreement before committing to a prop firm. We use the top vetted prop firms from my experience and my students. With the right prop firm and hard work, you can really develop your trading skills and potentially achieve the significant profits from these organizations. So it's really important to just do your research, make sure you have the right prop firm, and go for the biggest ones in the space. Now, this might sound like they're new, they haven't been around for a while, but that's further from the truth. Prop firms have, been around since the 1980s, and it all started with the Salomon brothers. They were a large investment bank, and they began using the firm's capital to trade for their own accounts. These traders, known as the Salomon brothers, were highly successful, made millions of dollars in the process, and that success led to others creating prop firms as well. And by the time the 1990s hit, prop trading already, began to evolve rapidly as advances in technology allowed traders to access the global markets so much easier. So as a result, the number of prop firms grew exponentially. And at this time, they had to actually go into their trading desks. They had to often put up money for their stop loss, training, and education. And in today's world, the evaluation and trading terminal can just be fully online from your own device, so you have way more freedom. So it's definitely revolutionized since then. But they have been around for a while, just a little bit different of a structure. Now, what do these evaluations look like today? Well, there's a few different structures, but the most common structure that you're going to see is a two-step evaluation. The first step entails that you use a demo or a simulated trading account. During the period, you have to follow a set of rules. The requirements for the first step is to make 8 to 10%, and you can't lose 5% a day during that process, and you can't lose 10% overall from the starting principal within 4 to 30 days. If you're in profit by the end of the month, but just under 5% profit, you'll be able to get a free retry. And if you're in profit at the end of the month with over 5%, but not the 10% that you need, they'll give you a 2-week extension. Now, for the second step, all you have to do is make 5% profit with the same loss limits, that 5% a day and 10% overall, and you get 4 to 60 days to do that evaluation. Now, if you pass the evaluation, the full 2 steps, you'll receive your funded account login, and you'll receive 80% of the profits or more, and you'll have no loss liability. In the world of trading today, it really makes, prop firms a no-brainer. If you're a consistent, profitable trader, you can easily get access to 6 to 7 figures in capital without having to save, without having to take out a loan, without having to trade with your little capital won't get you anywhere. So, probably just by now, you realize the opportunity that there is in front of you, but you're probably thinking there's a catch, and there is. The challenges are challenging. Sure, you can try to do it on your own, but there's a 2 to 4% pass rate. And that's why I created the Funded Profits Trading Academy, because this is a revolution in the day trading space that so little are able to partake in the reward. So I built an education and mentorship platform that showed an 85% pass rate in students that follow my FPC method and start a challenge. If you want to learn more, you can always click the link down below, apply, and book a call today to see if we're a good fit. But let's just get right back into it. So what's in it for the prop firm? That's probably what you're wondering next. Well, the prop firm structures the challenge to be, to get profitable traders. Like I said, it's hard. If you pass it, you're going to deserve the account and you're going to be profitable. You're most likely going to be making money for the prop firm, and they're going to receive 10 to 20% of the profits that you make. And they also track the trades of thousands of traders. So, this is giving them data where they can create profitable trading algorithms and strategies. Now, what's in it for you? If you pass, you'll get a 6-figure trading account. You can scale up to 7 figures. You can, get 80 to 90% of the profits right away, and you'll have no loss liability. And just to let you know, you can get paid every 2 weeks on request. So prop firms have been able to achieve obviously high rates of return by taking on significant risk like this, but they've also been providing an amazing opportunity for traders if they are consistently profitable. Obviously, the challenges are hard, and only 2 to 4% of people typically pass. But every career, every opportunity that has a high income potential is going to be hard. If you're looking to make it easier and get on board with our 85% pass rate, simply go down below, click on the link, and apply today. I would love to show you how I can help you, make a full-time income as a part-time day trader. But that's all for today. I'll see you on the other side or in the next YouTube video. Don't forget to leave a like if you learned something and subscribe for more content just like this.